In this video, you will get to see how to customize your YouTube channel and YouTube banner. Most of the things I'll be showing you on the computer screen. Come to youtube.com and then sign in. So when you click here, you will be directed to enter your Gmail credential. So once you enter the Gmail credential, you will now come to YouTube account, which looks like this. Click here and click on YouTube Studio. Once you click here, you will see this page. This is your YouTube channel page where everything will be seen by you. Right now, you see nothing is here. So there is no data to show. Now just head over here. This is the view channel on YouTube. Click here. And once you're here, customize channel. Click here. We will customize this one by one. First, let's come to banner image to create this. Everything is given here. You see what the dimension is, what the size is. So there's no confusion. Everything is given here, what the size and dimension is, and what you can use. For example, PNG or GIF. No animation. So once you know this, just head over to canva.com. So you can see here, I'm using a free plan. They have a paid plan too. You will be able to do most of the work with free plan. I use their free plan, and you can use my referral link to start using this. Just head over here and in the search, type YouTube banner. You see here, these are all the free resources. Anything which is paid will show up as pro. So we will use free resource. Let me select this now. For this template, everything is pre-built. You can customize, change color if you want by heading over here. You can change color, for example, like this. You want black, you can make those changes. You can change the text. You can come and change the font from here if you want. I will keep as it is, and it's very easy tool for you to use. First thing is that I will go and change the photo now. This is the photo. Once I come and click here, you see this is the one to replace. Just go and upload your photo. For example, I want this photo to come here. Just drag and drop. The photo is here. You can change the text. Let me write Gopi Nomics. And if you don't like this text, you can go and change the font from here. Just the update on what this channel is. And once this is done, update on what this channel is. And once this is done, you can download this by coming here, share, download, and download now. Upload this image. Here, once you upload, you can see here, this is how image will look when somebody is watching on big screen like TV. If it is on desktop, this portion will be seen. If it is on mobile, they will see this portion. So once you do this, you see the banner here. Same thing by going to Canva. We will do for picture. The size is given here. PNG or GIF is said. Once you enter YouTube picture, you are given this template. You see, select any one of the template which you like, which is not paid. If you want paid, then you have to pay for that. For example, this one, and then replace with your image. Just drag and drop, then adjust, and then download. So once you click download, this is in PNG, and this is what we want to download currently. Here, there is a picture. So I'll just click on remove and then upload. This is how you can adjust this. You see here, you can adjust this part however you want. And when it is done, click done. So this will become your picture. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share, and comment if you found this video useful. Also, relevant links, including video links, are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account. And hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Driving Tester.